What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Peppino from Pizza Tower. Now you want to begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the eyes. So let's start with the one on the left. We're start from the very top and draw a large oval. All the way down across the left side and then up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the right eye in behind. So we're going to start from the top, go all the way around, come down towards the bottom, and just tuck that up in the middle. Now I'm going to pull the left pupil towards the inside. So right here, we're just going to draw a small oval, fill that in black. Now let's trace that out along the outside. So we're going to step in towards the inside of the eye, draw another larger oval, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's go up to the top right and draw that same sized oval. Now I'm going to place the nose in between the eyes. Let's start from this point. I'm going to come down, round out the bottom of the nose, go up and then in towards the center. Now I'm going to place the mouth in behind the nose. Let's start from the top left, go across just underneath the eye, come down, bend that up and then in. Now you want to line up the top and bottom over on the right side. So we'll start with the top, we're going to go out, round up the mouth, and then pull that back in. Let's go to the bottom of the mouth, draw a straight angled line going up across the outside of the teeth, bend this up and in behind the nose, continue on the right side. Now we're going to step in on the left, draw another straight angled line, let's fill that outside area in black. Now let's separate the bottom row of teeth. Starting over on the left, draw two lines coming down, add two more on the right. And then we'll separate the top row of teeth, adding two lines coming in towards the nose, and add two on the right. Now I add a thick fold for the cheeks around the mouth. Let's start on the top left. Just going to trace the mouth going all the way around towards the bottom, and just pull that in. Let's go underneath the right eye, go all the way around the mouth, come down, and then in. Let's tuck the chin in underneath. Starting on the left, come down, and tuck that up on the right side. Now I'm going to place the ear on top of the left cheek. Let's start up here, draw a circle, going all the way around, just tuck that in, and we'll add those folds along the inside. Start with the curve going across the top, and down the bottom. Now I'm going to move up to the top and draw the right half of the hat. Let's start above the right eye, come down, I'm going to round out the side of the hat, come across the top, and then bend that down. Now directly on top of the right eye, just draw a straight angle line to close off the hat. Let's go back to the top, we're going to add a fold, going across and then down. Now I'm going to draw on the back side of the hat. Starting from the fold, go up, come down, round at the bottom, and then pull that up. And then directly above the ear, draw a straight line coming down, curve this up and in towards the side of the eye. Let's go to the inside of the ear, add another curve, and we'll fill this area in black. Now I want to place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. I'm going to bend this down and then out. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to come down a little bit lower towards the eye, and up towards the point. And we'll fill that in black. Now I want to take that eyebrow and flip it over on top of the right eye. Start with the curve, coming down and across. Go back up, come down and then up. And we'll fill that in black. Now that we completed the head, let's draw in the arms. We're going to start underneath the ear. It's going to bend the arm, going out, come around towards the elbow, and then bend that in towards the hand. Now you want to layer three fingers along the side. I'm going to step up, come down towards the first finger, go up, and then out. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. Starting from the inside, come down, up, and in. Let's do that one more time, going all the way around, go up towards the top of the hand. That's going to bend this out towards the inside of the elbow, coming down and across. Let's step back and curve the arm coming up and in underneath the head, and then along the top, add a curve for the sleeve. Let's draw in the right arm. We'll start underneath the right cheek, bend the arm going around towards the elbow, and then bend that in towards the wrist. Now you want to draw those same 3 fingers in the opposite direction. So step up, come down, and then up, step down, draw the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to touch the hands along the inside, go up, and then down. Let's round out the side of the body, starting from the chin, going out and then down in behind the forearm, add a curve for the sleeve. Now just underneath the arm, I'm just going to add a curve going out and then down toward the bottom of the shirt. Connect the ends with a curve coming down the middle, and then bend that back up. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, we're going to round out the body, coming down and in. Let's leave a gap for the legs and add one more curve in the center, going down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, start over on the left side, bend the leg, coming down and then up towards the ankle, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now just underneath the knee, bend the foot, coming down and in with a short line, and then we'll overlap the toe on top. So we step back, go in, round out the toe, and then bend that back up towards the bottom of the foot. Now I want to go back up to the hips and draw the back side of the leg. So we're going to step out, come down, and bend that up towards the heel. And then from the heel, just going to round this out, come down, and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and add the edge of the collar. Let's start on the left side, bend this down and in behind the hand, go to the right and do the same thing. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Peppino from Pizza Tower. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.